Mm. So hello friends, welcome back to my another video. So in this video today I'm going to compare best three text-based AI. Yes, I'm going to talk about GPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Gemini or Google Bar. So in this video I'll ask same question to three of these, and let's see which one gives a better answer. So let's get start our video. So I'm a football lover, so I ask the first question is who is the best football player in history? I will ask who is the best football player in the history. Then I will also give it to all of this. In Microsoft Copilot, you will see here three conversation styles. More precise, more balanced, more creative. I will ask it in more balance. Also ask same question in Gemini. So as you can see, GPT did not give a, a list. It just say it depend upon different fans, expert and player themselves, but it gives some frequently mentioned candidate Pele, Diego Maradona, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, and at the last it said ultimately determining the best player depend on individual preference, which is a correct answer because the different people have their different styles to compare player. So, but here Microsoft Copilot gives us list. At the first, it gives Maradona, second Pele with pictures. Lionel Messi at third and Ronaldo at fourth. It just gives five players. And at the first, it says it also seems same as GPT. It debate topic. It is a fair debated topic among fans and experts alike. But it also gives us some legendary players named Maradona, Pele, Messi, Ronaldo, and Platini. Now I will see Lionel Messi, Ronaldo, Pele, Maradona. The most common things in three of these is these all three provide same four players at the top four. Ronaldo, Messi, Maradona, and Pele. Now I will ask second question. Now I will ask some technology related questions. At the first, I will say five jobs that AI can't replace. Tell me the five jobs that AI cannot take in future. Now I will ask same question to other two. Now I will copy this question, paste here, also paste here. Now let's see what ChatGPT gives. Creative and artistic roles. Pause the video and read this line. Caregiving and social work, complex problem, research and development, and at the last it gives human interaction and hospitality. In Microsoft Copilot, it gives jobs requiring human judgment and decision making, creative professions, social and emotional intelligence roles, physical dexterity and mobility jobs, complex complex communication and nuanced interactions. And in the Gemini, it gives therapist or counselor, social worker, creative roles, high level strategy, leadership management. As you can see, these all three gives best answer. But if I tell you my personal opinion, I like the Microsoft Copilot because it explain more. As you can see, as we know, Microsoft Copilot is a combination of Bing and GPT-4. So it gives you the way it gives answer with pictures is the very good, and it makes us very easier to understand. So personally, I like Microsoft Copilot, and it's your choice what you like. And in the comment, please say what you like most. And thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.